you already have a desktop license of SolidWorks installed, we're going to need to install that to use 3DExperience. Let's start off by searching Add or Remove Programs and looking up SolidWorks. Go ahead and click Uninstall. The SolidWorks Installation Manager should now pop up. Go ahead and click on Advanced Options and select Download Files, Data Files, and Registry Entries. This will ensure that you have a clean uninstallation of SolidWorks. Go ahead and click the Remove Items, and this should start uninstalling SolidWorks. Once you're finished uninstalling, open up your favorite browser and head over to eaa.org. Here, go to Member Benefits. Once you're on this page, scroll down to Builder Resources. Then select SolidWorks Resource Center and click SolidWorks. This will give you access to 3DExperience SolidWorks for makers. Do make sure that you have a membership to EAA to get this $50 discount. Once you fill out your information here, you'll be led to a PDF with a few additional instructions. To preface, 3DExperience SolidWorks for makers is only for makers. 3DExperience SolidWorks should only be used for personal projects and non-commercial use. If you're making up more than $2,000 a year, you do need to upgrade to a commercial license of SolidWorks. Now let's go through the purchasing instructions for 3DExperience SolidWorks. Our first step is to uninstall any prior version of SolidWorks, which we have already done. Next, we're going to click this link that is going to bring us to a purchasing page, where we see that the $100 yearly subscription has now turned into a $50 yearly subscription. Additionally, there are other ways of getting 3DExperience for makers. You can go to Titans of CNC and click on Resources in the top right-hand corner. Here we have SolidWorks for makers at a $20 discount. However, you do not need to pay any membership fee for Titans of CNC, so this is a flat $20 discount. Go ahead and purchase 3DExperience through whichever platform you choose. Once you purchase 3DExperience, you should receive an email from 3DExperience looking very similar to this. This email is very important. Within the email, there's a Get Started Here link. This is the only way to access 3DExperience. Make sure to bookmark this link. Now that you have it open, verify that you do have 3DExperience open by checking the URL. It should say something similar to US1 Makers. When you look up 3DExperience through Google, it'll appear up with this generic website, 3DExperience.3ds. This looks exactly the same as your Maker website. However, you do not have any of the functionalities as you do in the 3DExperience Maker website. Now head back to the 3DExperience website and click on the top left-hand icon. This is your start page. Once you click on it, you can see your roles. Go ahead and click on 3DExperience SolidWorks, and then click on SolidWorks Connected. This is how you will be opening SolidWorks through the browser. When you click it for the first time, it'll ask you to download 3DExperience onto your desktop. Go ahead and click it and run the program. Once you're done with the installation, go ahead and click Continue and click SolidWorks Connected again. This will install all your SolidWorks roles that we showed earlier. Go ahead and follow the installation manager. One issue that you may run into is a Java server update. Here I've already upgraded it and cannot recreate the issue. However, I will quickly go over how to fix this. Head down to the description and click the third link called Java Update. Once you're on this website, scroll down to Windows 2012 or later version. We're going to click on the third link on the right hand side, checksum SHA256. It is a JRE file .msi. Once you have it downloaded, run the installer. I already have it installed, so I cannot run it again, but it is a simple installation. Once this is finished, you should be able to rerun the 3DExperience installer. Once you're finished installing, go back to your browser and click on your roles. Click 3DExperience Professional and click SolidWorks Connected. This will launch SolidWorks from your desktop. If you click the little arrow next to SolidWorks Connected, you can also save a desktop shortcut icon. This will come in handy when you don't want to open the browser to open SolidWorks. Congratulations, you have now finished installing 3DExperience. One additional step you may want to take is upgrading the icon for your desktop application. On the left-hand side, we have the updated icon that I created. Go ahead and look at the description and download this icon from the fourth link. To start off, we're going to rename the application. Rename it to whatever you want. Then right-click it and go to Properties. Then hit Change Icon in the Shortcut tab. Browse to the file that you just downloaded through the description of this video. Go ahead and click OK and then Apply. Now your icon for your desktop application should be updated. Go ahead and right-click your application and pin it to the taskbar. Now you should be able to click that application and it will automatically launch SolidWorks without you having to go to the browser. And that's it. Now you have a working 3DExperience SolidWorks on your desktop. Please like and subscribe for more content.